how to reset Google Authenticator for KuCoin. So if you want to reset the Google Authenticator for KuCoin, then first you need to open up your Microsoft Authenticator, or you can also go with your Google Authenticator, any option that you're comfortable with. Now, once you're here, you can just simply go and delete the Google Authenticator key. So for example, if you're using the authenticator like Google Authenticator, then you can open up your Google Authenticator application, and here as you can see that you will have all of these codes, right? So you just need simply go with the KuCoin code. So for example, I'll just simply go with a code, and you can delete that code. After deleting, you can go with the plus, which is again on the bottom right, and from here you can go with enter a setup key, and you can again go with your KuCoin application and again create a new setup key for your KuCoin. So in this way, you'll be able to reset your Google Authenticator for your KuCoin. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.